My name is David. I'm 6 years old. I'm in class 1.1. Dicky on my video. I see 6 on the chair. I see 2 green table. I see 4 paper pen. I see 5 red book. I see 3 pink pencil. I see 6 yellow eraser. He is Mr. Star. He is Batman. She is Tara. He is Monkey. She is Mary. He is Simon. She is Susie.